Are there any holistic strategies to help impact the body's natural ability to remyelinate? I know you talked about kind of some of the debunking myths with exercise and things of that sorts. So touch a little bit upon maybe some of the myths of holistic strategies, as well as just if there are any holistic strategies that we know could potentially help remyelination.
Yeah. So I wouldn't say debunking myths with exercise, because in fact, if there's one thing that I think, at least plausibly, and there's some evidence that it may be beneficial, it would be activity, physical activity. Again, we don't know, you know, how robust of an effect it might have, and actually demonstrated effect. There's no strong evidence to suggest that it's beneficial. But so but I do encourage every one of my patients to engage in exercise as an important component of maintaining their health. Beyond that, though, like, some people think of holistic strategies as supplements, or holistic strategies as dietary changes, or holistic strategies as things that appear natural to them because it's not obvious to them that it's a chemical. I think that their people should exercise, again, tremendous caution, and the evidence is completely lacking. I don't think there's no nutrient, no vitamin that has been shown to have a biologically beneficial effect. I think there are some that are, again, are more plausible than others, some vitamins that are more plausible than others, but if the idea that they necessarily have a pro-myelinating or remyelinating effect is not only absent, in some instances, it's not even plausible, even at the doses that people talk about. So people, again, should be super careful if someone is encouraging them to take some form of a supplement, especially if the person encouraging you to take it is the person who sells it to you. Like that's a big warning sign.
I don't have a lot to add on here. I think as a general statement, taking care of yourself and your body and exercising, getting sleep and doing things along those lines are generally good. The evidence for, on their own enhancing remyelination, still remains to be shown. Now, I think where I could sort of flip this a little bit is just to say that I think you should also avoid things that are bad, things that are stimulating inflammation and inflammatory disease, obviously not ideal. There's also things, so my lab here at Case Western Reserve University has put a lot of effort into identifying potential environmental exposures, including environmental toxins, that might contribute to oligodendrocyte loss. And so some of these household chemicals that we published last year in Nature Neuroscience, have the potential with sufficient exposure to exacerbate oligodendrocyte loss. And so, while I'm not clear on whether or not there are holistic strategies that might enhance remyelination, there's certainly things that you can do as a patient that might exacerbate, and I think should be avoided.